How to fix Instagram page isn't available right now. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. If it says that the Instagram page is not available, there might be certain reason why. So firstly, there might be the server issue in Instagram. In that case, you can check out the server issue in the website such as Down Detector or so on. Another thing, check for your internet connection. If you have a weak or unstable connection, you can restart your router or switch between different Wi-Fi or, if possible, cellular data. Once you do so, now check for the update of your Instagram. Launch a Play Store in your device, or if you are an iOS user, you can search for App Store. Then tap on the search icon to search for Instagram. In here, instead of open button, if you see update, make sure to update your app. Once you do so, now you can relaunch Instagram application in your device. Then make sure to quickly give it a refresh. Then check if there is any cache built up. For that, you can press and hold onto your app and head to app info. After which you need to tap on the 4-stop button and OK. Then head to Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. This will remove any of the bug or the glitch issue that might be causing such problem. That's it for the video as well. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.